So I disassembled the two motors. This one is the first one, this one is the second one. The first one I had first in a single wheel setup. You can see the bearing here almost doesn't move at all. I don't know if this was maybe damaged from the beginning. I can't tell actually, but you can see there definitely was water inside. It all got rusty, and over a period of 1 month not running at all, it all got rusty. This one, this bearing here in the back is fine. This is the second motor that I attached later. The bearing here is perfectly fine, although also water got inside here. Cleaned this one already, and here the bearing in the back is fine as well, but you can see how dirty it is inside. So I won't take this, I will take this, I won't take this, I won't take this. I will take these three components, put them back together and go back to a single wheel setup, since I have to change this bearing. And to be honest, I don't want to spend too much time and effort on this concept anymore, because I don't know if I will be able to seal this properly so no water can get inside, since all the water is spraying onto this motor. Eventually water will get inside and I won't notice, I can't watch inside, and I will only notice after time if it doesn't turn properly. I don't like it. I like to be able to see what's going inside of the motor without taking the complete wheel out and disassemble it. So first of all, I cleaned everything with this WD-40 to get rid of the rust. And then next step is to seal this motor properly, to give it a second chance and make sure no water will get inside. I think this back side here is fine. I don't think water came in here. If water came in, it would have come through this gap between this cap right here. So I want to seal this properly, and this. And the other possibility is that water came in here where this bearing sits. So these are the surfaces that I cleaned with a brake cleaner as well, so the silicone will seal properly. Another thing I noticed, this magnet is supposed to be in here and it comes out very easily, so I will glue this into here as well, so this has no chance of turning inside. And yes, I think that will do it. Yeah, of course, all the surfaces that you want to glue, you have to clean with the brake cleaner, otherwise this won't last very long. So first of all, I super glued this, it's the rotor, to this plastic. Put back in the stator, and then one bead here, one bead here, one bead here. And now I'm gonna put it all back together, and hopefully this will seal all of it, and then we'll see the results, if this maybe even increase the power. Maybe one of the bearings was bad from the beginning, and hopefully it won't rust again. It is now put all back together. I use these clamps to pull down the lid properly before I put in the screws, otherwise you might kill the plastic. And I also sealed up this cable intake up here. So now this is back together. Turns very good. And probably I will put it back in place today and see what it does. So after 1 month of not running, since I wasn't here, it's back in place, back in the single motor setup. I've already checked the pressure gauge. It's 4.1 bar or 60 psi. It's all hooked up to the house already. I'm running a 7mm nozzle now. I think the water flows enough. Let's see how it does. You can see the alignment is not perfect. It's more to the left. Let's see how it changes maybe. Oh, it's a lot to the left. Yeah, I have to adjust that. But I don't have tools with me, so let's leave it running. So while we are collecting data, I'm back up at the water intake. This has been running for 1 month without cleaning because I wasn't here, but I left the water running so it won't wash away my stuff. Still, it's very clean. It's overflowing here, so it seems like the 7mm nozzle is fine. Yeah, this was a really good idea. So far, I haven't changed anything since I've built it. I had the system running for 1 month, producing electricity. Then I was gone for a month and removed the turbine. So in case of a crash or something, nothing happens. But this has been running ever since. 2 months, no cleaning at all. Alright, see you at the desktop. Victron results for this turbine right now. Here we are back inside to check the results. Running at 29 volts and have a constant power of around 90 watts, which is fine. If we compare this to the results I had before with a single motor setup, I had only 75 watts with the same nozzle size and same pressure. So seems like maybe with the first motor the bearing was bad from the beginning. With the dual motor setup, we had a little more power with the same nozzle size. I looked it up and it was at this 7mm nozzle size we had 95 watts, so a tiny little bit more, but also more equipment, more cables. So I think it was worth going back to the single motor setup. And time will tell if
I sealed it properly. If I did, I hope it will be running for a longer period of time. This time I was only running it for 1 month and then I had to maintain it. So hopefully it will last a little longer. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for future episodes. Maybe I'll tackle the washing machine pelton turbine next. I don't know yet. See you. Bye bye.